All right, y'all, we got 2 days till DM's open. And why now? We already know this is going to be a question most people will have on their mind. You know, they're seeing BLCS, kind of brand new problem they didn't know that they had, boudoir low click syndrome. And they're saying, okay, yeah, that makes sense. I'd rather not waste half or more than half of my ad spend every single month, every single day, every single week, every single month, every single year. So they're seeing boudoir Pico is finally this new solution to this problem they've been having. And so they're saying that they can, have competitive advantage if they get on this before their competitors in their city. And right now, our current plan is to only work with one person per city. You know, keep it limited. And they know they want this solution to, again, be on their way to becoming #1 boudoir photographer in their city. They got to be firing on all cylinders. And our current plan for each cohort is if we get at least one case study from a cohort, then the price increases for future cohorts. And the reason for that is simply because when we do what we say we're going to do, we are decreasing risk for future buyers. We're also more confident and have more data of how to successfully execute what we promise, get that unique CTR all above 6%, give that boudoir brain entry boost. So when there's less risk for buyers, price goes up. I mean, it's as simple as that. Less risk, higher price. And yeah, so those are, some of the big reasons for, answer to the question, why now? Can be getting in, at the lowest price and the easiest. It will also be the largest delta from your competitors. So example, if you're the first one in the city to utilize this, boudoir Pico, or have us do it for you, I mean, the other boudoir Facebook ads in that city, they're going to be sitting at 1 to 3% unique CTR all. Like 1 to 3% is average. And so us getting you up over 6, we're already, twice as efficient as the average. And as we work with more and more people in your city, that delta, that gap between you and the average of everyone else gets smaller and smaller because us working with everyone else brings the average up to potentially maybe the average, we get it above 6% in your city. But if you've already worked with us 2 years prior, you've been running those ads for 2 years at that, highest level above 6% unique CTR all. And many, we promise above 6%. The goal obviously is double digits, as you've seen obviously in some of our case studies that we've already been able to do, but we promise 6%. Then we're just being way more efficient than everyone else for a longer time, which builds a massive gap and kind of we believe, a larger, massive cash war chest in your pocket from A, not wasting money, and B, being more efficient with the money, which is the same thing, A and B. So yeah, man, those are the biggest answers for the question of why now. Can begin the largest jump on your competitors at the lowest price. So kind of incentivizing you to be an early adopter, be a fast mover, to get these, lowest price and, highest probability of being gapping your competitors with a gap much farther ahead than everyone else in your city before anyone else in your city even has a chance to work with us.